Hello and welcome to your Friday, December 11th day weather video outlook. Weather conditions changing across the Cowboy State today, switching gears from warm and windy conditions for this time of the year to colder and snowy weather in areas. Not going to have a snowy weather pattern across the entire state, but much of south central, southeastern, and central Wyoming going to be impacted starting today through Saturday by a return to cold, wintry weather conditions. Let's dive right into some of those forecast details here now. Here's satellite imagery from this morning. We can see low pressure off the Pacific Northwest. It's making its way to the southeast and it'll be continuing to track that way through the overnight hours. By tomorrow, it's going to be out here across eastern Colorado. This is going to help bring some upslope into southeastern Wyoming. But at the same time, we're going to be looking at jet energy coming up over Wyoming from the southwest. And it's really going to be this jet energy combining with colder Canadian air dropping from the north. That'll be bringing some pretty good snow across much of southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, out over towards Rawlins, then through much of Colorado. It'll begin first from basically Laramie west as we head into this afternoon, then spreading to the summit in southeastern Wyoming tonight. Let's take a look here now at snow forecast totals across the state of Wyoming. Welcome back. Here we have our forecasted snow totals across the state of Wyoming from today through tomorrow. You'll see up into the northern and northwestern mountains that the snow is going to be occurring today. It'll be light snow, 1 to 3 inches. Here across southwestern Wyoming, light snow beginning to develop as we head through today. Likewise for the Snowies and Sierra Madres on into northern Colorado. It won't be until late tonight on into your Saturday mainly that locations from the summit on east out into Nebraska and northeastern Colorado will start to see the bulk of the snow, and Saturday will be a cold, snowy day. We'll have northeast to easterly winds, upslope winds for southeastern Wyoming with cold Canadian air diving south and also the jet stream moving in from the southwest. This combination is a favorable one for light to moderate snow across south central, southeastern Wyoming and northern Colorado. Looking at snowfall amounts, southern mountains going to be seeing anywhere from 3 to 8 inches, maybe a little more up in the highest elevations. That's the Snowy Sierra Madres, 3 to 6 for the Laramie Range. Cheyenne out towards Nebraska and up towards Wheatland, anywhere from 2 to 5 inches. The Casper to Douglas area, a trace to 2 inches. Likewise, trace to 1 inch from Rawlins west over towards Evanston. All in all, though, turning much colder, blowing drifting snow and impacted travel conditions along much of I-80, especially from Rawlins eastward, and it'll just be some flurries and snow showers across most of the Bighorn Basin, northeastern Wyoming, and the upper Green River Basin here for today and tonight. How about temperatures? It's going to get cold. Temperatures a good 20 to 25 degrees colder in southeastern Wyoming. Cheyenne coming in just 26 and 15 tomorrow, 23 and 8 in Laramie, and it will be the southeastern section of the state that'll be the coldest with that better upslope. Up in the far north, not bad, but much colder than it has been, 40 and 14 in Sheridan and out west. Pretty typical December temperatures, 26 and 10 in Jackson on Saturday, 31 and 17 on Sunday. How about major weather impacts across the state? Moderate to heavy snow, Snowy Sierra Madres and Laramie Range Friday through Saturday, 5 to 8 inches. For the I-80 corridor, Summit to Rawlins, moderate snow Friday afternoon through Saturday, 3 to 6 inches. As we get into late tonight and especially Saturday, light to moderate snow, I-80, Cheyenne and Nebraska, I-25, Colorado to Casper, 2 to 5 inches with some blowing snow. Then for Sunday, cold with blowing snow on I-80 and I-25. Winds will be shifting back to the northwest at 15 to 30 miles an hour. Have a great Friday and plan accordingly if you'll be in south central and southeastern Wyoming and have travel plans or livestock. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great Friday and weekend.